Hello students, your ma'am is back with the session number 3 of the chapter number 5, that is patterns. Today we will start our new topic, that is number patterns. It is a sequence of numbers arranged according to a rule or rules. For example, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. इधर आप एक रूल फॉलो हो रहा है वो देख सकते हो. And that rule is we have to jump 5 steps at a time. Clear? Good. Let's do some activities from your textbook. Refer page number 36 of your textbook. There are 2 activities. So the first one, T2, frog jumps over 2 numbers and reaches the third number. Where will T2 go next? Make a ring on the other numbers. Here we have counting from 3s that we have already learned in our previous session. Let's do together. Here we have skip counting by 3s. So we have to jump 3 steps at a time. So after 6, if you will jump 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, you will reach at 9. Similarly, after 9, 1, 2, 3, we will get 12. After 12, 1, 2, 3, 15. After 15, 1, 2, 3, 18. After 18, 1, 2, 3. That means 21. After 21, 1, 2, 3. We get 24. So in this manner, we will get 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. Clear? Very good. Now, second activity on the same page. T2 jumps and gets on every 10th stone. Write the numbers on the stones. Which kind of counting here we have? Yes, counting by tens. Let's solve together. Here we have skip counting by tens. So we have to follow the forward counting of tens. 28, 38. After 38, yes, we have 4, 8, 48. Because we have to change only the digit of tens place by 1. After 48, very good, 5, 8, 58. Then 6, 8, 68 and at last 7 8 78। बच्चों, यहाँ आगे का भी एक स्टोन ब्लैंक है। कैन यू फाइंड दिस नंबर? Yes, this number should be backward of 28 but by tens. That means backward number of 2, 1 and 8. 1, 8, 18. Am I correct? Good. Let's proceed further. Read and write what comes next. That means here we have to solve some patterns. So first example, 87, 88, 89 and so on. Here you find the simple forward counting. Let's start our forward counting from 89. We have 9090, 9191, 9292, 9393 and 9494. Clear? Very good. Next one, 19, 29, 39 and so on. Let's find the total numbers from 19 to 29. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. So we have 10 numbers. So here we have an example of counting by tens. Am I correct? Yes. So we have to change the digit of tens place. So after 39 you will get 4 9 49. याद है ना बच्चों, वंस का डिजिट चेंज नहीं होगा. आफ्टर 49 5 9 59. आफ्टर 59 6 9 69. Then 7 9 79 and at last 8 9 89. Now the third example, 18 21 24. Here also, first of all, we will find the total numbers from 18 to 21 and those are 19 20 21. That means here we have the gap of 3 numbers. So we have an example of counting by threes. So how will you find the next number? Yes, first of all, keep 3 on your fingers and start your forward counting from 24, 25, 26, 27. So here 27. After 27, 28, 29, 30. Then 31, 32, 33. After that 34, 35, 36. And at last 37, 38, 39. So in this manner we completed our pattern. The next example, 15, 20, 25. First of all, let's count the total numbers from 15 to 20. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That means we have the gap of 5 numbers. So, here we have an example of counting by 5. That means we have to jump 5 steps at a time. First of all, we will keep 5 on our fingers and then, yes, start your forward counting from 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. After 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Next number will be, very good, 40. After 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And the last number, try to find out. Yes, you can do it. Very good. 50, 50. Now, fifth one. 52, 54, 56. Here we can easily find out that we have gap of 2 numbers. So here we have an example of counting by 2s. Let's complete the pattern together by finger counting method. What will we do first? Yes, we will keep 2 on our fingers. Then हम forward counting शुरू करेंगे. After 56, we have 57, 58. Five, 8, 58. After 58, 59, 60. Similarly, after 60, 61, 62. After 62, 63, 64. Then next number will be, very good, 66. Next example, 5P, 6Q, 7R. It is quite easy. We have to write the forward counting with alphabets. So, after 7R, you will get 8S, then 9T. After that, yes, 10U, 11V, and at last 12W. Clear? Very good. I hope you are enjoying. This topic is quite interesting. है ना बच्चों? Very good. Now, second last example. 85, 75, 65. Yes, we can see the counting by tens. बच्चों, अब आप बताओ ये फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग है या बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग? Yes, it is backward counting because the numbers are arranged from bigger to smaller. 85 is bigger than 75 and 75 is bigger than 65. Now you know how to complete this pattern. Try to do it. Now tell me what we are supposed to do first. Yes, we have to change only the first digit. And after that, ones का digit change करना है? नहीं. So, what is our next number? Yes, 55. 55. Because 5 is the backward number of 6. Similarly, 4 is the backward number of 5. So our next number is 45. After that, 35, 35, 25, 25, and at last 15. Am I correct? Yes. And the last example, 40, 38, 36. Let's count the total numbers from 38 to 40. 39, 40. So, we have two numbers. That means here we have skip counting by twos. But in which manner? Yes, again it is in backward manner. So first of all, keep 2 on your fingers and start your backward counting from 36, 35, 34, 3, 4, 34. Again, keep 2 on your fingers and start your backward counting from 34, 33, 32. After that, 31, 30. थोड़ा ध्यान से, कोई मिस्टेक ना हो. Now start your backward counting from 30, 29, 28, and at last you will get 26, 26. Clear? Very good. Now it's your homework time. Complete all the following patterns in your notebook. First one, AA, BB, CC, and so on. Second one, 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on. Third one, 2, 5, 8, and so on. Fourth one, 20, 19, 18, and so on. And at last, 55, 50, 45, and so on. Try to solve it and share it with us. So my little champs, here we have completed our chapter number 5, that is patterns. I hope you must have understood all the topics clearly. We will meet soon with another chapter. Thank you.